Welcome to DisplayBly.com.
Today we are going to introduce an assembly process of LCD module hybrid structure with membrane switch button. First, stick the membrane switch button on the PCBA. Second, put a high-temperature proof adhesive tape onto the junction of the FPC of COG LCD. Third, visual inspection of the COG LCD. Fourth, remove the protection film from the top of the backlight and the protection film from the bottom of the LCD screen and press the COG LCD into the walls of backlight. Fifth, remove the release paper of the double-sided tape from the backlight. Make the FPC pass through the middle through hole and press the feet of COG LCD module into the holes of the PCBA. Sixth, make a connection between the FPC and the FPC connector. Seventh, install the FFC into FFC connector on the PCBA. Eighth, quality test and visual inspection. Ninth, labeling and packing.
Thank you for watching, and contact us if you have any questions.